How to fix Snapchat Remix option not available in your application. To fix this issue, you have to use new version of Snapchat application. To check if you have new version or old version, simply open App Store you have on your device. Once you are on your App Store homepage, on the searching bar, search for Snapchat. Then see if there is open button or update now button. If there is update now button, then simply tap on it to update your application. Once you update your application, check for remix option, it will be available. In this way, you can easily fix Snapchat remix option not available issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.